I can't believe I have to do this, but someone has to. The name Jide is not a Yoruba name. The name Jide is not a Yoruba name. And for the third time, the name Jide is not a Yoruba name. Jide Ofo, which you people shorten as Jide, is an Igbo name. Jide Owo is an Igbo name. Now the Yoruba version is not Jide, it is Jide. And I don't know how you will explain this to someone who is just seeing it in a text. Jide, Jide Ofo, Jide Owo. It's an Igbo name, not a Yoruba name. Now, I've seen a lot of people making this argument, and I have weighed in on the argument and offered my opinion, my informed opinion. But I thought I had to do a video to clarify this very, very well. Jide Ofo is a core Igbo name. It simply means be just. The just will go free. Ojuofo Ghana, Jide Ofo. Now, I don't have to start explaining what Ofo is to every Igbo man. Olajide, which is a Yoruba name, which they shorten as Jide, is different from Jide. So Jide is an Igbo name. I don't know why people were trolling this our brother. I want you to watch his video.
The thing is, when people try and tell me that I'm not Igbo, just because my name is Jide, people automatically assume that I'm Yoruba. I'm not Yoruba. I don't even look Yoruba. I'm Igbo through and through. If anything, I'm a Biafran. Because I always see people doing ancestry tests. There's no point with me. My parents are from the same village. I'm just gonna have a 101% Igbo. That's what I'm getting. Igbos, we come in all different colors. I have cousins that have green eyes, uncles that are darker than me. My mum's even yellow. They call my mum yellow. I hail from Imo State, Urala, Nigeria. Don't test me about this Yoruba.
In one.